तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में देखते हैं कि केमिस्ट्री 12th स्टैंडर्ड इसका सिलेबस क्या रहता है महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड का। तो 12th स्टैंडर्ड में केमिस्ट्री में 16 चैप्टर्स है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप। फर्स्ट इज सॉलिड स्टेट, उसके बाद सॉल्यूशंस, आयोनिक इक्विलिब्रिया, केमिकल थर्मोडायनामिक्स, मतलब हीट का क्या अफेक्ट पड़ता है केमिकल्स के ऊपर, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री, केमिकल काइनेटिक्स, elements of group 16, 17 and 18, transition and inner transition elements, coordination compounds, halogen derivatives, alcohol phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones, carboxyl acids, amines, biomolecules, introduction to polymer chemistry, ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री एंड नैनो केमिस्ट्री। तो ये सारे चैप्टर्स हमको 12th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ने पड़ते हैं। तो अभी डिटेल में देखते हैं कि हर एक चैप्टर में क्या क्या टॉपिक्स है। तो स्टार्टिंग विद फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री, तो फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में देखते हैं क्या क्या पढ़ना है। डिस्टिंग्विश क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर्स illustrating unit cell and packing efficiency in cubic systems, gain information on point defects and band theory in relation to electrical magnetic behavior, define solubility and rationalize its dependence on various factors, explain Henry and Raoult's laws, derive expressions for colligative properties, learn Van Hoff factor and its correlation with dissociation constant, categorize strong and weak acid bases, learn Ostwald's dilution law, derive Henderson-Balch-Hassel equation, explain the role of buffer solutions in controlling of pH, understand the spontaneity of the reactions, know reversible, irreversible processes and PV work, understand first and the second laws of thermodynamics. ये थर्मोडायनामिक्स हम फिजिक्स में भी पढ़ते हैं और यहाँ पे भी केमिकल रिएक्शंस में भी थर्मोडायनामिक्स यूज होता है। देन वर्कआउट चेंज इन एंथैल्पी, entropy and Gibbs functions in physical and chemical transformations. Apply Hayes law in thermochemical equations. State what are strong and weak electrolytes. Define Colruyt's law and state its importance. Understand functioning of electrolyte galvanic cells. Write half cell reactions there. Describe type of electrodes. उसके बाद है derive Nernst equation. Understand its importance. Know what are dry cells, lead strong batteries and fuel cells. Describe the electrochemical series and its implications. Define average and instantaneous rate, order, and molecularity in kinetics. Formulate differential integral rate laws for zero and first order reactions. Understand basic of collision theory of reaction rates. Sketch qualitatively potential energy curve. Understand acceleration of reactions in the presence of catalyst. Solve relevant numerical problems. तो ये सारे टॉपिक्स है फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में। तो नेक्स्ट है इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री। देखते हैं कि इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में क्या क्या पढ़ना पड़ता है। राइट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ द ग्रुप 16, 17, 18, correlate atomic properties of elements with the electronic configuration, explain anomalous behavior of O and F, understand allotropy in O and S, draw structure of oxy acids of sulfur and halogens, write reactions for preparation, chemical properties of O2, O3 और ये बहुत सारे compounds हैं। Then draw structures of interhalogen and xenon compounds and illustrate their properties, state the methods of preparation with reaction. उसके बाद know chemistry of elements belonging to groups 16, 17 and 18. Understand the principle of metallurgy in extraction of iron, compare lanthanoids and actinoids, and list properties of man-made post-actinoid elements. Understand the Werner theory of coordination compounds. Understand apply EA and rule for stability of coordination compounds. Understand diverse isomerism in coordination compounds. Use the concept of hybridization for predicting structures and magnetic behavior of complexes based on the PBT. Understand CFT, sketch qualitatively d orbital splitting diagrams in octahedral and tetrahedral legend filled environments. Distinguish high spin and low spin complex. Predict structure, color, magnetic properties of the complexes based on the CFT. उसके बाद है organic chemistry. State common and IUPAC names of compounds and methods of preparation of halogen derivatives, alcohols, phenols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, and amines. Understand the structure, chemical properties, lab tests, and reactions of above functional groups. Explain the acid or base strength of alcohols, phenols, carboxylic acids, and amines. Explain trends in the boiling point and the solubility of compounds of above functional groups in terms of intermolecular forces. Understand optical activity, recognize chiral molecules, and represent with a Fisher projection and Wedge formula. Understand mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reactions and influencing factors. और लास्टली हमारे पास है अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री। तो देखते हैं कि इसमें क्या क्या स्टडी करना पड़ेगा। क्लासिफाई कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, अमीनो एसिड्स, न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स, रिप्रेजेंट monosaccharides using Fisher projection formula, represent monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides using the Haworth formula, correlate properties of carbohydrates to the presence or absence of potential aldehyde group, learn four level structure of proteins and primary structure of nucleic acid, represent primary structure of a dipeptide and tripeptide from data on the terminals, understand enzyme catalyst and double strand DNA structure, understand classification of polymers on the basis of source structure, intermolecular forces, polymerization, number of monomers, and biodegradability. Understand addition and condensation, polymerization. Then know properties, structure, and preparation of natural rubber, vulcanized rubber, bunious, viscose, LDP, HDP, Teflon, polyacrylonitrile, polyamide, polyesters, phenol formaldehyde, and resin and PHBB. Understand the scope of green chemistry with reference to sustainable development. Recognize 12 principles of green chemistry and their implementation. Correlate the chemistry knowledge gained so far to the principles of green chemistry. Then understand the scope and applications of nanochemistry. Gain knowledge of synthetic method or properties of nanoparticles. Know the instrumental techniques for characterization of nano materials. तो ये सारे अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री में आते हैं। तो आने वाले समय में मैं हर एक चैप्टर पे और हर एक टॉपिक पे वीडियोस बनाने वाला हूँ। तो अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।